Telcos have been focusing on network quality, making sure the data and voice are seamlessly provided to their clients, no matter wherever they are within the target areas. Outsiders such as Apple and Google disrupted early steps by telcos towards providing more than voice and data by owning the channel of distribution. Beyond connectivity suggests a shift in the offer paradigm, where the telco once again reinstates firmly on its position as the lifestyle enabler instead of being a lorry providing a pipeline to those who reap the benefits of providing meaningful applications. To meaningfully satisfy a need that is outside of connectivity, the context of the user who we are targeting becomes important. Telcos can best do this by focusing on communities of users who have a common profile and therefore hopefully a common need, and providing what that community wants. It could either be a community in business that has a common profile or a consumer who has a particular technical need that could be satisfied through the telco's channel of access to the customer. Small businesses. The SME sector is one community that represents market opportunity with focused SaaS offerings, rendered through the mobile, that can be made available to help them run their business. One possibility is helping them forge a new base of customers that they otherwise can't acquire, and also offer a means to widen and complement inventory through forming API exposure circles of connected providers. Let's see how this works in action. Please meet John, an SME owner who has benefited from telco's B2B digital solutions.
Hi, I am John. My telco now provides me with tools to digitally expose and manage my inventory, product catalog, customer information, order capture, and billing management. It allows me to interact with other people who complement my offerings so that I can sell a complete package of services to my customers. It also allows me to bundle and sell my partners' offerings as though they were my own. This way, I can serve my customers more fully by offering complementary services and products.
Our business-friendly telco has provided 3 components. 1. Digital marketplace service to sell his offerings and enable the SME to expose inventory. 2. Key BSS capabilities such as product catalogue, pricing and order capture. 3. Digital capability enhancement through skills upliftment. This way, the telco is becoming a right partner in helping the SME do business by offering solutions beyond connectivity. Where does the telco get the tools to be made available on a white-labeled SaaS offering? Torrey Harris offers a set of products and frameworks that telcos can brand and offer SME customers. Let us see how this works in action.
DigitMarket is an online storefront that can also extend as a digital marketplace. It allows SMEs to sell their offerings online. It enables SMEs to sell third-party products by publishing their inventory. In this demo, I'll show you how a home store SME can benefit beyond traditional e-commerce by combining partner offerings. If a customer buys furniture, they would certainly opt for a regular cleaning service. The cleaning service is fulfilled by a third party, but ordered from SME's home store. After I pick my furniture, I'll now select a date and time slot for my cleaning service. Finally, I complete my order. SMEs can sell different product categories. They can also sell physical, digital, rental and service products. Let us now look at the administration features of DigitMarket. SMEs can create multiple stores as DigitMarket supports multi-tenancy. We will now look at the administration part. You can configure each store to allow third parties to publish their offerings. You can model the onboarding process visually by defining the steps, attributes, and rules. This flow is an example of a KYC process to onboard a vendor. You can create advanced workflows to mandate approval and verification steps. Let us now log in as a vendor to see how DigitMarket provides self-service. The vendor administrator sees a dashboard that provides an overview of orders and the revenue generated. Vendors can publish their product catalog, inventory, and pricing. Vendors can monitor and manage their orders from this portal. They can visualize the order journey and see how it moves from one state to another. DigitMarket can also integrate with vendors' in-house applications through our containerized integration tool, Coupler. Coupler allows vendors to integrate and expose their assets, such as product info, pricing, inventory, or any in-house data. It provides a visual editor to connect, transform, and combine disparate data points. It provides adapters to commonly used protocols and data formats. Once you define the flow in Coupler as an endpoint, you can securely expose the APIs through an API gateway. The gateway is part of our complete API management suite, which includes a developer portal, publisher portal, and an authentication server. You can deploy the gateway centrally, or as multiple instances of lightweight micro-gateways. With DigitMarket's suite of products, Telcos can empower SMEs to get broader visibility of their offerings. These tools let the SMEs participate in popular digital ecosystems and allows them to create their own.
Example of another community where telcos can offer IoT solutions beyond connectivity. A typical smart home user buys in devices from multiple consumer brands. Though each vendor provides apps to control their respective smart devices, it would be easier for the user to use one app to operate all the devices, like a universal remote control. IoT Glue, a product from Torrey Harris that telcos can offer its customers to exactly do this. The telco would create an ecosystem of devices from like-minded manufacturers that would expose their product capabilities as APIs. Let us see how this works in action.
Telcos can use IoT Glue to integrate smart devices from different manufacturers. IoT Glue provides an administrative interface to define the flows, create rules, and publish a mobile app. This screen shows a pre-configured list of devices based on their protocol and data format. You can add new smart devices to IoT Glue based on their published APIs. You can attach rule templates to each device to support everyday use cases. A smart home user can customize these rules in the app later. IoT Glue lets you configure predefined actions for daily tasks. It includes a mix of device controls and API-driven public services. I'll now create a flow to demonstrate how rules and actions work. You start with the smart device source to select data points. Then drag and drop a set of rules to the flow. You can edit the rule data to customize it specifically for this use case. In this example, I check the humidity levels and control the thermostat to set the desired room temperature. I also add a flow to connect fire detection rule to trigger a set of actions. 1. Call fire service. 2. Unlock the door so that you can evacuate quickly. 3. Inform the police. IoT Glue lets you drag and drop pre-configured widgets and publish a mobile app. The app now functions as a universal remote control for all your smart home devices.
This is here and now. Take the first step to go beyond connectivity. Call us. We have been doing this for over 20 years and work with the biggest and well-known telcos across the world. We are specialists in integration and have a unique blend of products that you can white label and offer your customers, along with the necessary services to integrate and expose your own back-end capabilities seamlessly as APIs and microservices. Torrey Harris is dedicated to the technology of integration for the last 20 years. We would be delighted to sit across from you face-to-face in a virtual meeting you can set up with our senior management who have been there, done that, to talk about your individual needs. Please email us at info@thbs.com.